there, hope you guys are doing well. This is Oyan from I Am with Oyan blog, and today we are going to start the new class of Evergreen CPA Academy. Today we will discuss about few specific niches or offers which can bring you a huge profit in return. Few days back on one of my previous video, I got a comment where someone claimed to show that the offers which I used to promote and which makes me earn a daily profit from my CPA business. So today I decide we will discuss about few goldmine CPA niches or offers which can genuinely bring you profit if you can promote them in proper way. But honestly friends, no one can assure you which offers or niche will be 100% convertible for you, because this is something which is totally depends up to you and on your hand-on experience. You need to play with different type of CPA offers, you need to spend on ad campaigns, or you may need to give your 100% effort to bring free traffic to your offers, and then you will understand with your own that which offers are more convertible for you and on which niche you will feel more flexibility. Believe me guys, CPA is not about instant income. To build my 5-figure CPA empire, I had to give my full effort and time on it. Alright, so let's focus on the topic. So if you search for CPA offers, you will find tons of different type of CPA offers. Each and every CPA networks contain a variety of CPA offers on different niches such as beauty products, dating, education, health and fitness, diet recipe, mobile offers, and so on, like surveys, etc. So one can easily get overwhelmed by the variety of these offers, and especially if you are a newbie, then there is a great chance to get confused. And another thing I always notice, people always tends to select broad niches like health, fitness, beauty products, etc. But makes sense. By choosing these niches, you are literally make your targeted audience broad. Moreover, I personally don't like to promote health or fitness related offers because people generally do not trust to take an unknown medicine or supplement, especially where lots of popular brands are already available on medical stores. Say you are suffering from high sugar diabetes, then what you will prefer? Will you buy an unknown diabetic supplement which you found on a random CPA ad banners, or would you prefer to call your doctor? I guess you will prefer the second one. And in fact, not only you, 90% people will prefer this second option. And these are the main three disadvantages of selecting broad niches. Number one, targeted audience is too broad. Number two, you need keen experience about the product. And number three, hard to gain audience trust. You need to build your very own professional brand before promoting your offers. So if you are a newbie and just start your CPA journey, then I will always recommend you to go for micro niches instead of picking broad niches or offers. Like if you want to promote beauty products, then don't just pick any random offers from this niche. Dig out more and select a more narrow niche. Like you can pick anti-aging cream among the entire beauty product niches. This will make your niche more narrow and specific. Also, you can do a more deep market research to know the demographic statistics of the anti-aging cream, like age group of your targeted audience who like to use anti-aging cream, location, language and behavior of your targeted audience, interest of your targeted audience, etc. And once you will know this, then you can very easily build a narrow audience and can target them to promote your CPA offers who are really willing to buy or interested in your offers. But make sure not to pick random offers from this micro niche you selected. Say if you search anti-aging cream offers, then you will find tons of different type of products which are related to anti-aging cream. Now you need to pick only 2 to 3 offers which have a good EPC rate and have enough positive reviews on market, and then you can make your brand based on these 2 to 3 offers and can make easy profit by promoting them to the narrow audience which you built. So what are these steps for picking a goldmine offers? Number one, forget about broad niches and find out micro niches which have narrow yet powerful audience. Number two, dig out more to get the demographic statistics of your selected micro niches. And finally, number 3, perform a deep market research to pick only 2 to 3 high converting offers from your selected micro niche. And these 3 simple steps can really help you to find out a gold mine and profitable niche which can bring you a easy profit daily. Like one of my favorite niches is free sample and deals. Few people says that it is hard to target for free stuffs, but believe me friends, this is not true. Everyone love to get free stuffs or free gifts. However, they don't provide enough payout for free sample offers, but you can very easily get a tons of leads by promoting free stuff offers. And the sweetness of this niche is, if you are planning to start your CPA career with free traffic, then this niche is absolutely perfect for you. You just need to create and maintain your brand with free sample offers. Like here you can see I create a simple blog with most popular free stuff offers containing various ad banners, CTA, links, user reviews, ratings, etc. So you need to maintain your brand like this. You need to make it more trustable to your visitors, and once you have created a money machine blog like this, that means you have completed the 90% work. Now I just have to promote this money machine blog and have to bring my targeted audience to my blog, so I can motivate them for free stuff offers and can redirect them to the offer page. This is pretty simple. And I prefer to promote this blog through free Facebook traffic. There are lots of popular Facebook groups and fan pages are already available on free stuff offers. You can easily promote your blog there and quickly earn commission from your offers. All you need to do is maintain this brand. You need to build the professionalism. I could also directly promote my offers on various Facebook groups and pages, and maybe I could get few leads too, but that won't be trustable and that won't run for long. And instead of that, I love to promote my entire niche blog, which always bring me 10x more profits and help me to build my custom audience. Alright friends, so that's it for today. This is your friend Ayon. Thank you for staying with me. Don't forget to check the description part where you will get few important resources regarding this video. Stay tuned and please like my video if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get more daily updates from Evergreen CPA Academy. Thank you. See you soon.